Okay guys, now it's time to finalize our work. So I add image here. I make the footer and sidebar. Then we almost done. So in another time we have to check the site speed and responsiveness. So currently now I need to add Google Analytics because it's replaced because I changed the theme. That means I changed the header, so I need to add Google Analytics code, and for to do that I go to Google Analytics and click on admin. My site gets slow. By the way, after that I click my website in here. So it's fullstackdeveloper.com. Then I click on tracking info. Then I click on tracking code and let it load. Okay, great. So I copy this part and I come to my website theme option. In theme option I have to come to general setting. Then in here I need to add this code. After that I save changes. Then what's happened? Let me fix this issue. Something happened, but finally I add the code. So let's go to our website and let's see Google Analytics worked or not. So let it run. Okay, now if I go to Analytics home, it should be one in there in real time update. It's too slow. Oh no. Okay, our Google Analytics working well, and yeah, now we need to remove our under construction plugin. To do that, you can do it by click off here, or you can go to settings and under construction. In under construction you can turn off. So I already did it. Someone come to our website, he will see our new website. So feel free to check my website because it has really great article, and currently we are look good, our website look good, and so far now I need to remove unnecessary plugins. So I go to install plugins, and I don't need Akismet, it's deactivate. I need all-in-one WP migration. Actually I don't need it too, so let's deactivate all unnecessary files and all unnecessary plugins, and I will see you in after. Okay, now I did it too. So now I need to check my website speed, but for now I will let's check the website speed. So to do that I go to GT matrix, I think words are correct. Yeah, matrix. Also I go to Google page speed. I copy the URL and paste it on here and test your site. Maybe my site will load faster, or it will not load faster because I didn't optimize the website speed. Let's see. In mobile it's load 73, kind of faster, but I have to remove some content. In desktop it's really fast, so let's check this one. Yeah, in desktop it's really fast. Yeah, this is the current website look and current website speed, so I hope this will be enough for now. And yeah, I think I cover all of things what I need to change theme. So let's go to about me section. I need to go to these pages and fix the issue. So this is the video. I will see you in next one. Bye bye.